Jizz Llama transportation in effect. These are the skateboards. So let's see, we got yellow, orange. This is a blue. This is more of a teal. I would call this a teal or a green. And then this looks like a purple or a very dark blue. So on the other side, it's typically just gray or black. It's that would be considered a black stain. Yeah, black. This says Jackleg, so it's from Jackleg Skateboards. That one's got graphics on it. So does that one. And these two are 8 1/8, 8.125, which I guess is larger, which is fine because, well, that says 8.5. So it's 8.5, and then this was 8.125. I use the bigger ones anyways when I did skateboard, or they call them Fat Boy or something like that, Pull Skateboard, whatever the marketing is on them. So that's it. $50 gets you skateboard and grip tape, and then let me know what color or size, or I'll just throw in a bunch of stickers for Jizz Llama or for Robot, whatever you want. Gonzo, just let me know what you want. Love you.